Hi, I'm Steve. I want to show you how you can import your FBX files without ever having to worry about making the necessary changes to the inspector of the FBX file ever again. In my case, I have a Synty Studios character and I want to apply Mixamo animations to that character, and that requires you to do some changes to the FBX after importing it. And hit apply. Now my animation should be working. Hooray. Now imagine you have to do that every time you import another animation. And imagine one of those animations you forget to make some change. I really only want to do these steps once and never again. And the trick to doing that is called presets. At the top of the FBX import settings, you have this slider button here. This brings up the preset window. We want to create a new preset from the settings that we just changed because they'll be all the same for all other animations. Click on Create New Preset, save the preset to some folder, and now you have an FBX importer preset. This preset can be applied to any other imported FBX file. I just imported a new FBX pistol walk and it doesn't have the settings applied that we need to apply. We can go up here to the slider and select the FBX importer preset, and this will apply all the changes that we made previously to the new FBX file. But what if we could automate this process? In the project settings, go to Preset Manager and add a default preset and select the FBX importer. Now you can drag the FBX importer preset to this preset field, and the next time you import an FBX file, you can see that this FBX file has all the settings applied to it. Even the avatar is already correct. It has no eyebrows. It has the fingers in the correct places. Isn't that great? Now, in case you're wondering what this filter is, imagine you are importing FBX files from different places and they all need different settings. Use the filter. This filter string allows you to apply the given preset only to a specific folder and its files. So this filter applies globally to all folders named Mixamo and any FBX file contained within it or within any of its subfolders. If you just want to apply to the FBX files in that folder, you just use a single asterisk. So now if I import a animation, it will still work in the Mixamo folder and apply all the settings. But if I drop the animation in a different folder, it will not apply the preset. This way you can specify per folder what kind of import settings you want to have and never think about this ever again. Isn't that cool? If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe. Thank you.